Hey, my name is Silas, and today I'm going to show you our system for creating highly SEO optimized websites which are extremely professional in a matter of minutes. So behind this system is several years of work on how a website should be structured, but now we've converted the manual checklist over to an n8n workflow, which does exactly what we used to do manually, automated. So let's jump straight into it. So this is the n8n workflow we have for creating the prompt for Lovable, which we are going to use later. And today I'm going to show you how extremely powerful this system is in our realistic scenario. So after seeing this video, you will know exactly how we do it, and you could make something like this yourself. So before the system starts, we need to see how it works. So the first step is that we need to fill out a form. So let me show you the form. So here we need to find the company name, about the business. So here it will be, for example, lawyer, which we are going to make an example website for today. Then we're going to find the city location, etc. And with this information, the system is going to create the perfect prompt for a perfect website for this company. Okay, so now the system is running with all of the information submitted. So the first step in the workflow is that it finds the best color based on the information we got it. So what it does here is it goes out on the internet and finds out what the other businesses in that niche, in this case law firms, uses as the best colors, which are getting the most conversions and most trustworthiness colors. And then it goes over to finding the best font for the website in the niche. And it does this for a lot of different things here, which are the main elements and good factors for a website. So it also finds out which pages we should have in this website, also how the visual hierarchy should be, meaning like how big should the title be in comparison with the undertitle, right? And how big should the paragraphs be? So we get it very systematically and easy for customers to digest the content in the websites. And then we also get a content strategy from this workflow, meaning that we will get what types of titles should we have in this website to convert the visitors to customers. And we also have an animation researcher making the website look polished, modern, and clean. So the most fancy and the most important part of this workflow is maybe the SEO keyword researcher, which actually goes out. It thinks of different keywords that we might need to incorporate into the website. Then it also goes out and checks some of these keywords. How many people are searching for this each month? Is there a lot of competition? And therefore we should add this somewhere in the website to rank on Google and gather traffic and customers from these keywords. Okay, so now the workflow has finished and the master prompt finder has now come out with the prompt. So let's see what is spitted out. So here it says the Lovable prompt. And then after all of the research has been glued together, we get the prompt and then we can copy it into Lovable. So let's copy it into Lovable and let's generate. Okay, so now we're back looking at what the AI generated from this prompt. So as you see, it has now redesigned the whole website. And the good thing about Lovable is that it also generates with AI pictures, so we can see how it will look when we implement realistic pictures from the lawyer's website. So let's pop this up in full screen so we can see it. And here you see some very important factors, like in the header, you see that the contact us is in our own button, guiding the users to where they can contact the firm to actually get a hand of their services. So as you see, the design is clean, easy and light, and easy to ingest the information. And we can also see that it has smooth animations and a really nice design from the first generated. And from here you can of course write into Lovable to edit the website further on, or put it into, for example, Cursor and edit it from there. So this is a very nice way to start a project for a customer or show them potentially what they're getting. So let's look at this website that I generated, and now it's gone about 9 minutes since we started everything. So let's see some more. So it generated about us, and here of course we will need to fix some UI, but it's a good for a starting point. And contact made a whole schema, and hence you see we got all of the services, and then it also has made the under pages for the services, and here it is probably doing everything so it will rank in Google. For example, I know for a fact, working on a lot of websites for clients, that this is really good material for AI, for example, to ingest, making them appear when people in ChatGPT, for example, writes, which business should I use for family rights, family law? Here I actually generated a picture of. And then, of course, when you want to publish this website, you can click publish in the right corner and it's going to be published or show to a potential client before you then use this code to make the actual website and publish it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Send me an email if you would like me to do this for your website, give you the master prompt. I could do this definitely for you quite easily if you just provide me the things I need to fill in the form and give you the prompt totally for free. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more content. I will be diving further into my other systems, running my agency in the background and my SaaS business.